Welcome to Learning English Happily. Let's start your English journey today. Have you ever looked at someone speaking fluent English and thought, I could never do that? Here's a secret. Every fluent English speaker started at zero. They didn't know thousands of words. They didn't speak perfectly. They didn't have a special talent. They simply started learning, one step at a time. And today, I'm going to show you a simple plan to help you go from zero to fluent. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. They buy grammar books, they memorize long vocabulary lists, they worry about every mistake. Don't do that. Instead, start with the words you use every day. Learn words like water, food, phone, family, work. These are the words that become part of your daily life. At the same time, start listening to English every day. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the pronunciation. Listen to how English sounds. Your brain learns more than you think. As you become a beginner, stop learning only single words. Learn phrases. For example, don't just learn the word coffee. Learn, I need coffee. I like coffee. Where is the coffee? Now you're not only learning words, you're learning how to communicate. And remember, mistakes are not your enemy. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every mistake means you are practicing. Every fluent speaker has made thousands of mistakes. The next step is to make English part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English. Watch your favorite movies with English subtitles. Listen to English songs. Speak to yourself in the mirror. Even 1 minute of practice every day can make a difference. When you cook, describe what you're doing. When you walk outside, name the things you see around you. Turn English into a habit, not a school subject, not a chore, a habit. And here's the most important thing. Fluency is not about speaking perfect English. Fluency is about communication. It's about expressing your ideas and understanding other people. A journey from zero to fluent will not happen overnight, but if you practice a little every day, it will happen. So start today. Learn one new phrase. Listen to one English song. Speak English for 1 minute. Small steps create big results. Your future fluent self is waiting. Before you go, write one English phrase you learned today in the comments. Let's start this journey together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Learning English Happily and join me on this journey from zero to fluent. See you in the next lessons.